Hello, Monkey community, back with another update. Hope everybody had a great day. I was busy at work here, but looks like another action-packed day. Just recently, I think we had another whale buy-in, so we'll talk about that a little bit. But chart's looking great still on that upward trajectory here. You can see it's obvious from the chart that things are going well. Everything's going according to plan. Some ups and downs, people taking profits, probably people paper hands jumping in and jumping out, and that's normal when they see the buzz, they see the volume. It's a way for folks to come in and maybe take some short-term profits, which is fine. I do think these people will be back later once we start our run, and people are probably going to rotate back in. I think they know Monkey's going places, but I think people get impatient, and that's probably what's happening here. But we're having fun, and we'll talk about that in just a second here. So if we go back and look here, first of all, follow the main monkey account, monkey soul underscore, and this guy's doing great content. Number of followers just keeps on growing. Seems like every couple days he's adding another 100, so we're at 3,300 followers. So please come in here to the profile, go to post replies, and just like and repost all those and respond if you can, bookmark them, do all that stuff. I know everyone's busy, but that really helps. Then when this account posts, he has more followers, it goes out to more people. It's just good for the algorithm. So please continue to do so. Also post in the monkey community here. Join if you're not a part of it yet. But if we look here at a few that I bookmarked here, Fatih Crypto had a good post here about price being down, and this was earlier, price is back up again, but price being down and holders up is bullish. That means more believers are coming in, the holders are increasing, but the price is down or sideways. That just means we're getting rid of the weak hands and adding more real community members. And that's a sign of a real strong project, a cult that you can buy and hold DCA and make incredible profits long term. This isn't a trading type project. Buy and hold, shill, dollar cost average, and we're going to make it. So just keep that in mind. So this is a great post here. I thought this was interesting. There's stuff coming out about Bonk here, and I'm not trying to FUD Bonk or anything like that. I don't think there's anything inherently wrong with it, but there is a little bit of pushback about it not being organic, and some of the runners. It looks like there's some insiders that bought. So this Hosako coin, an insider bought 15% allegedly, and then has been selling it off ever since. So they're kind of picking the runners and profiting off of them. So um, the only reason I'm bringing this up is not to FUD, but to just say the money might start flowing back into pump coins. And so I think we're already starting to see that a little bit over the last few days with some of the pump coins pumping a little bit. But anyway, just showing the overall sentiment is has been negative in the last couple of days with the bonk stuff. So maybe we're going to see a flow back. So that's bullish for projects like Monkey. Also, talking about the whole cult term, and I think we're building a cult here, meaning people are coming, they love the project, they have a reason to shill it, they want everyone else in the community to succeed. They're telling their friends about it, family about it. More people are piling in. We get more believers in. Then we have that firm base, and that's why we see here on the chart, even when it goes down a little bit, you see this steady, consistent increase in the floor over time. And again, remember, we're about a month and a half old. We're not that old at all, especially for a long-term cult community like this. So this is a great spot to be at. The market cap is great. I think we've all seen projects that start off really strong, maybe go up to 3 or 5 million, and then just fizzle out into nothing. This one's here and has longevity written all over it. And on that note, trading a little bit sideways, like some of this here, that's totally fine for a project like this. It's not dead. It's just a slow cook, basically. And I think we've got just an incredible opportunity to accumulate more over time. This is the kind of thing where you get your paycheck, you put a little bit in here, and you just do that over and over and over again. Almost like you do with some long-term hold in stock where you believe in the company. This is the same thing. Believe in it, have some conviction, hold it, and I think we're going to profit. And on that note, everyone's situation is different. I'm not mad at you if you take profits. I mean, you have to take profits in order to make money, but to me, this is a long-term hold. You might take profits here or there, but make sure you rotate back into a quality project like this because the long-term gains are where it's at. Remember, maybe a couple of weeks ago I talked on a video about the Bitcoin folks where people are like, "Oh, I wish I bought Bitcoin, 10 years ago or whatever." And yeah, we all wish that, but how many of us would have held the whole time, right? You'd get a 10x, you'd get a 100x, and you'd sell it, right? You wouldn't hang around for the 10,000x or what some of these folks got. So just keep that in mind. We're so early here. This is indeed like buying something like Bitcoin a long time ago. Are you going to be able to hold it? Right? This is your second chance to have something like Pepe or Doge or SHIB or something like that very early on, and this is our chance. So just thought I'd mention that. But again, I'm not mad at you for taking profits here. So if we go back to here, also the main monkey account says monkey loves the community, not just a meme coin. We laugh, we build, we meme together, and I think that's it. I mean, we're having fun, aren't we? I mean, this is a nice, wholesome project. You can post it, you can, show your family, and we're just having fun. And I think we all have a common mission, common goal. We believe in the narrative, and it's nice to just wake up and have something that you can come in and chill without wondering if you're going to sell it or if it's going to dump or anything like that. I mean, I think we have that solid base here. Um, if we look here also, I mentioned it earlier, the Retardio big player dropped 10K at 3.89 market cap. So we're getting the larger whales like that coming in. And again, as I mentioned before, as the market cap goes up, we're going to see more of these folks that have been watching from the sidelines, waiting for it to go up, maybe buying a little bit, but not coming in with size until it gets higher and there's more liquidity. So I think that's what's going to happen here, and that's what's going to have that parabolic run once we hit 10 million. I think we run quickly up to 30 million, 50 million, and then it's all over from there. So there will be pullbacks after that, of course, but I think the floor is just going to keep on getting higher and higher, and we're going to have that parabolic run that we're all waiting for. Um, this is another one, Xeno, something similar that we already talked about. Coins like Monkey, where we're still seeing an increase in holders through uh, maybe down or sideways trading, is huge. I mean, these types of coins bounce back tremendously. So be in position. Don't be monkey line. Hold on to your bag that you have. Add more. That's what I'm doing when I can. And MIG, I missed this yesterday. I had it bookmarked, but Monkey is a 9 figs market cap meme sitting at sub 4 million. I see the vision. That's it right there. See the vision, see what we got. We're holding something that's a lot more valuable than the price shows right now. And that's where you want to be in crypto, have that imbalance to where you're holding something that the price doesn't match the community sentiment and where we're going. So I'm still extremely bullish. I hope everyone has a great weekend.